Sublimation large format machine ng DT Dumaguete ginagamit na 5 araw na may 94 total meters. Ito naman ang printer head, capping, head clean, nasa na wiper pagkatapos mag head clean, nozzle check after head clean, ang system tama lang po, ground wire, AVR, waste tank, stock na CMYK, media, consumable monitoring, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, sublimation paper, daily output record, daily checklist, at ICC profile. Yan lang po.